Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And this is which section is this?
Ma'am, 9C.
9C. Acha. Acha, did I tell you 9C? I didn't. Actually, the thing was last lecture which we took now in biodiversity.
Yes, ma'am.
So uska, there was some problem with the recording. So that recording is not getting converted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 9, even 9C and 9B दोनों का भी नहीं हुआ. For some technical thing happened with Zoom or something. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that lecture with 9th A. ठीक है? Same thing, same slides and everything, because all the lectures in all the batches are identical. ठीक है? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share that recording with you all. Is that fine with you all?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, because वो same recording रहता है, because same content होता है, same teacher and students, so it's like identical.
Yes, ma'am. That's
Okay. So 9th B को तो I have told, but 9th C को आपका रह गया था. So children, now any doubts till now? Anything you need to ask? Are you all doing ये अपना कर रहे हैं आप लोग step up? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. And how many of you are attending this Aniket sir's IJSO lectures? Is anyone attending?
Ma'am, I am not.
From your class?
ma'am, me too. I'm not attending.
Ma'am, from our batch, some people
I
do it.
know what's it.
Because, okay. ठीक है. So some people are doing, because I'm also teaching biodiversity na here, and there also they're doing. So, so I was wondering कि कौन कर रहा है, like, so that I can find out what's going on. Otherwise, and children, anything, just let me know, doubts or something. We have discussed the paper, na? Have you got your results?
Yes, ma'am.
So who stood first in 9th standard?
Ma'am, the rank list is not out yet.
Acha, rank list is not out, huh? Okay, okay. And how did you all do?
I mean, bio it was good.
Acha. Easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And और पूछो बेटा, कुछ पूछना है तो आप पूछो उसमें. So I'm here. Any doubts, just ask me. Let me get my bottle of water also. So did you all enjoy that biodiversity lecture last time?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
हाँ?
Ma'am.
Bored तो नहीं हुआ?
No.
So if
No,
you
ma'am.
pay attention na in that, so it will be easy for you to understand, I mean, not to get confused. Otherwise, if you don't pay attention ना, उसमें अगर नहीं समझ आता तो बड़ा confusion होता है. Like.
Ma'am, this doubt lecture is for any chapter, right?
Sorry, yeah, any chapter.
Okay.
But mostly, you know what? Mostly it is for the chapter which we are doing. And after the exam, then you have any doubt in your test paper or anything, then like TWT के बाद कोई भी doubt है वो कर लीजिए. और वो mostly जो chapter हम कर रहे हैं उसमें से जो doubt आता है, something that you can ask. But you know, you can ask previous chapters also. Tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, could you once explain the binomial nomenclature?
Acha, I'll explain you.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Tell me.
ma'am, in the improvement in food resources, ma'am, I was doing this MCQs questions, and then in multiple choice question level 2, question 7, ma'am, Operation Flood is related to, ma'am, then I don't think that's given in the book.
What are the what? अच्छा operation. See, देखो discussion में तो हमने किया है ना. See, 1 or 2 questions will always be like that, which are not given in your module, which are not, to be found even in lectures, like classroom lectures we might discuss. हाँ, वो ऐसे दिया जाता है जिससे आप भी कुछ रिसर्च करो, पता करो, टीचर से डिस्कस करो,
Okay.
Few things are not familiar, not told, not given, because if we give everything in a spoon feeding manner, na, so that research instinct won't be there.
Okay.
Anna?
Yeah.
Operation Flood is about milk, right? We had discussed about Varghese, Korean Varghese.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah. Got it.
Yeah. हाँ, तो अच्छा, you who wants to know about? अच्छा, somebody had asked about the binomial nomenclature. See, binomial nomenclature, if you talk about it, तो देखो, जैसे हमारा नाम है, it has two, like our general name. One name is our social name, which is given by our parents, and one is our family name. Everybody has that. ठीक है? Surname or the family name. That my name is Namrata Singh. Your name must be, for example, Akshat Manor or Advay Bharadwaj. Those kind of things. So, तो दो ऐसे binomial nomenclature में भी दो components होते हैं. Fine. Now, where do these components come from? They come from that Linen's hierarchy. Last two taxon, last two steps of Linen hierarchy are taken into consideration. Okay. तो first कौन सा है? उस Lenin hierarchy. Who's going to tell me Lenin hierarchy? Kings. What is that? This.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. First is kingdom, then is phylum, then is class, order, family, genus, and species.
Family, genus, species.
Ma'am, and the abbreviation to learn it and is keep the plate clean or the family gets sick.
Or the family gets sick.
Yeah.
So from gets and sick, genus and species are considered while naming the species by naming the organisms. Now, what is the need of naming them? Because organisms cannot have n number of vernacular names. It will create a lot of lots and lots of confusion. कोई कुछ बोलेगा, कोई कुछ बोलेगा. कहीं पर कोई अनियन को टोमेटो बोलेगा, टोमेटो को कोई लोग पोटैटो बोलेगा. So there will be a lot of confusion. Okay. So what they did was they agreed on. There were this organization, international this thing, organization, nomenclature organizations of zoological names and botanical names. They decided on some scientific names, which included genus and species.
Ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, what is phylum?
So let me finish it first.
Okay.
The first component of any name is genus and second component is species. Now ये तो हमने decide कर लिया, दो नाम होंगे. हाँ, genus होगा first, second होगा इसका species, जो कि बिल्कुल specific होगा, right? Now the thing is, there are some rules. Genus का, if the genus name is there, the first letter, first alphabet has to be capital for the genus name, and for the species name, the first alphabet has to be small letter. ठीक है? Like Homo sapiens, right? For famous example, annotation किधर है इसका? Like Homo sapiens only. It's very easy.
Yes.
So first has to be capital. Now second rule is, if you're printing those in the paper, print कर रहे हो, जैसे हम लोग question paper बनाते हैं तो हम print करते हैं, तो what do we do is scientific names are all given in, hello?
Ma'am,
Hello, can you hear
scientific
me?
name should be given in italic.
Italics, they are all printed in italics. But now if you're writing the exam with paper and pencil, then you'll have to underline them separately.
Underline separate.
अभी आपको समझ आया? Who had asked this
Yes.
question? Just let me know the name, बच्चा.
Ma'am, Advay.
अद्वय. हाँ, तो अद्वय आपको clear हुआ ये?
Yes, ma'am, clear. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am.
and it's very important to get it clarified. Otherwise, पूरा life भर ही confusion में निकल जाता है ये. हाँ, good you asked.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
asked what is phylum? Like there's kingdom and then phylum, class, order, family, genus.
हाँ, so they are the different categories. I told you with an example. What I'll do is, one second. Can anyone share the screenshot of that? Remember we had done that, one example
Yes.
was there. Where a lot of animals were the grizzly bear and polar bear ka.
Black bear, giant panda, red fox.
हाँ.
little snakes and stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, can you all see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो देखो,
Yes, ma'am.
सबसे first step was kingdom. That kings, you know, वो वाला ना, that
Plant
versus
kingdom and then
Animalia. Animalia, it includes only animals and all sorts of animals. Okay. Now, as you can see, at one end we have starfish. Okay. And at one end, this grizzly bear. They're so different. They're so diverse. But still, all of them are animals. So they are in this kingdom animal. ये पूरा बड़ा kingdom है. Okay. Then, second आया, हमें वो वाले animals चाहिए जिसके vertebral column होगा. Like chordate. Chordates are the ones who have your backbone. So this starfish does not have. So this starfish will be eliminated. Okay.
Oh.
Only those people will come in the phylum. Second step. Chordata. Chordata means they have a vertebral column. Okay.
Ma'am, phylum is always chordata, right?
No, there are different phylums. But yes, there are some known chordates also. But we will study about that in detail. Let me come on to that part.
Ma'am.
दो parts में divide होते हैं, chordates and non-chordates. Non-chordates are the ones we don't have. First we are going to study about non-chordates only in our classification. Diversity वाले chapter में जब kingdom animalia आएगा, so we are going to study about non-chordates first of all. They don't have vertebral column at all. And there's another group called chordates who have vertebral column. So all these guys over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six of them are having vertebral column. So they belong to phylum Chordata. ठीक है? अभी इसमें से snake का भी vertebral column है. Fine. Now class. Next step आ गया, सारे mammals होने चाहिए. Okay? You know what? Mammals का क्या क्या होता है? They have mammillary glands.
And
they give birth to the young ones. What are the features of mammals? Just can
Ma'am, they do not produce.
They are warm-blooded.
Tell me loudly.
No eggs.
Ma'am,
No
no
eggs.
eggs directly
Fine.
give birth to the offspring.
Ma'am, they have hair and fur on their body.
Yes, very good. And
Ma'am, and they usually
they are warm-blooded.
lungs
they are
instead of gills.
warm-blooded. Good. And
Ma'am, they have lungs instead of gills.
okay. And
4-chambered heart.
yes. And they have these ear pinnas.
Yes, ma'am.
They have ear pinnas. तो आप इसको देखो, fox के भी है, squirrel के भी है, panda के भी है, and all these bear का भी है. Okay.
Okay.
So they all give birth to the young ones. They have
Ma'am,
ear
is there an
pinnas.
exception for mammal, like if they do not have ear pinna or something like that?
Platypus.
See, exceptions, we'll not talk about that, please. Abhi, let's not talk about exceptions. Abhi, we have to understand the concept. तो हमने सारे mammals को consider कर लिया. इस सब के अंदर characteristics है mammals के. So they come into the class Mammalia. Now further, order Carnivora, these all of them, now squirrel निकल गया यहाँ से, ये सारे carnivorous है. Okay, there's this doubt about this panda, but pandas are also carnivorous in some areas. Okay, so they all come in this next group, which is order. Even the group is becoming smaller and smaller and smaller, right? Carnivora. Then you know what, this fox is very different from the rest of the creatures. Now 3 of them, like they are, all 3 of them are bear like very hairy, and their features, the facial features, and there's some other features which are very similar. So this family, same family को belong कर रहे हैं. Like you must be knowing ना, cat and tiger का family same होता है.
Yes, ma'am.
Their size may be different, but the family is same because there are some characteristics which are common in them. Okay. Now उसपे फिर ये दोनों रह गए genus, you know, the last level, second last level of. Now from here onwards, these 2 steps will be considered in the binomial nomenclature, genus and species. So now here this grizzly bear का हम जैसे सुन रहे थे ना, दोनों का genus same है, but species is different. Obviously this is a grizzly bear and this is a black bear, right? So genus is same, and panda has been eliminated from this group because panda is like a small baby bear kind of a thing. Okay, now so end में species है. So what is species basically? Species are the one who can interbreed. Understood?
And they also have fertile offspring.
They have what?
Fertile offspring.
Yeah, and they all have all the characteristics similar.
Same characteristics. They can interbreed. Okay, fine. So ये है. अभी आपको समझ आया ये point?
Yes, ma'am.
You've understood the concept?
Yes.
So you know what, we are going to do in detail all these, you know, chordata and non-chordata, the 2 big groups. And in non-chordata, there are like what, 8, 9 Porifera, this Coelenterata and PCCP. Then your Cnidaria, then Platyhelminthes, then Nematoda, then Annelida, then Arthropoda, then Mollusca. All these things come. They are all without vertebral column. So we are going to study them in detail, okay, in our classes. And then chordata को अलग से हम बात करेंगे. Chordata में आ जाते हैं हमारे सारे animals, birds, reptiles. Four groups basically. Birds, reptiles, your tetrapodas and fishes. All these come in chordata. So we'll do in detail, and there are some nice, interesting mnemonics also to learn them.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what's the phylum for plants?
Plants ka bhi, yeah. Plants ka bhi, there are a lot of like this only. There's this categorization.
No, ma'am. Like in animals, there are chordata. Ma'am, in plants, what are they?
No. In plants, beta, there are some some plants which are seed bearing, which are non-seed bearing. Okay. And then there are. So I think you all are very. You really are looking forward to learn this chapter. I'm very happy because you're asking me. So lot of divisions are there in plant kingdom. Okay, सबसे पहले तो ये है आपका 1 second. How do you plant kingdom Plantae. It is known as kingdom Plantae. It is divided into 2 groups, big groups. जैसे इसमें chordata non-chordata होता है, same में cryptogram and phanerogram. Cryptograms and phanerograms. Now cryptograms are the ones, they are seedless, they don't have seeds. And phanerograms are the ones which produce seeds. Okay, then looking at cryptograms, they are further divided into 3 divisions. One is Thallophyta, one is Bryophyta, and one is Pteridophyta. Okay, and phanerograms are divided into 2 groups, Gymnosperm and Angiosperm. We are going to do everything in detail. Bhaiya, a lot of learning, huh? Lot of remembering of names, etc. That will happen. Have you done this
Yeah.
chapter in your previous class? Hello?
Ma'am, it was not there.
Huh?
In school, it was not there.
It was
Need.
not there. Nothing, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
But you'll have to be louder a little bit. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
थोड़ा वो तेज. Ma'am, which test will be there after TWT? You all have done this group has done TWT, na?
Yes, ma'am.
And by few like June batch will also give TWT 2, and then after that most probably it will be major test. See, in the next TWT, this diversity and that improvement of food resources will come together. Because that's a small chapter, and it's more of a general chapter. And this chapter is like just like cell and tissues, a long chapter, diversity. Okay? So it will be combined together.
Ma'am,
And then after that, all the 4 chapters will be tested, which will contain questions from all the entire content.
How many marks will the major test be?
This I'll not be able to specify right now.
Okay, ma'am.
Specification, Bruce sir and all these people can give you, and center heads also can give you.
Ma'am, it is 520 marks, major test.
It's a long one.
3 hours.
And you have to prepare really hard right from beginning. Even though one after the other अपने chapters prepare करते रहो, तो वो हो जाएगा, इतना कोई मुश्किल नहीं है. How so you found TWTs in all the subjects easy or only in biology?
All easy, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, last year
Ma'am, only maths was hard.
Maths was tough?
Maths was hard.
Even for me.
Achha.
Because one chapter was new for me.
Second, bachche. 1 second. Wait. So how was it? The maths was tough. Hello?
Yes, ma'am, for me.
No,
Maths was tough, huh? And what about chemistry?
Chemistry was still easy.
yeah, ma'am. Rest all the subjects were easy. Actually, all. I know.
They were easy, huh?
Yeah.
And physics? Who takes you physics?
GKP, sir.
Who teaches you physics?
GKP, sir.
GKP.
Acha, Gaurav sir. Okay. And PRCH takes your chemistry, right?
No,
No.
ma'am. KCH, sir.
Acha, KCH sir. Okay. Acha. And maths? Who
NKM,
takes
sir.
NKM.
NKM. Acha. Needed, sir, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that's about it. So can you all hear my voice very clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you'll have to be a little louder. Somehow your voice is not very clear to me today. Hello?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So which schools are you all attending? Tell me one after the other.
Ma'am, I'm from Poda.
Ma'am, even I am from Podar, CBSE.
Acha, Podar, which place?
Ma'am, Pawai.
Ma'am, Powai.
Powai. Acha.
Ma'am,
Powai has some good schools, right? As if there's one SM Chetty is there, and there's this Hiranandani Foundation is also there.
Ma'am, Bombay Scottish is also there.
And Bombay Scottish is also there. I have a relative studying in Bombay Scottish. And then your this thing Potar is also there.
Nahar International School.
Which one?
Ma'am, Nahar.
Nahar International School. Okay. And is anyone going to IIT KV? KV IIT is also there, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Kendriya Vidyalaya.
Ma'am, Pawar Public School.
Pawar Public School, yes.
Manduk branch.
Okay. So that's there. Okay, okay. So in schools, most of you are having CBSE board or ICSE board?
Ma'am, ICSE.
ICSE.
Ma'am, CBSE.
I'm from CBSE.
Ma'am, same here.
Acha. And in PACE, what we have done is we have mixed both the courses in the modules. And we've kind of like we mapped ICSE and CBSE both.
Yes, ma'am.
And the conceptual knowledge which we give caters to both the boards actually. And there's an IGCSE board also, no? Yeah, SSC board, okay. So children, follow abhi. Koi doubt ho to? Or you can show the slides again. I'll go through the slides again. अरे रुक जाओ
Ma'am, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Hello, can you? Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
ma'am.
There was some network issue. I'm just getting back. There was some network issue. I'm just getting back. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. We have.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, should we leave because no one has a doubt on?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was just waiting for you all to ask doubts. If there are no doubts, then you can leave also. There's no
Oh,
problem.
yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
No
ma'am.
problem.
Thank
Yeah,
you, ma'am.
yeah,
Bye.
yeah.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. 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 देखो इसमें क्या है, ये बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है, पर इसमें क्या है कि वो नहीं है, आवाज उनके बच्चों में नहीं आती अच्छी तरह, बस यही प्रॉब्लम है। और तुम्हारे वाले में क्या प्रॉब्लम है, बहुत बार ना खो जाता है, इसका रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं हो रहा है, ये सब हो रहा है इसके अंदर। ये ना जैसे ये अब ये बैक टू मीटिंग कहाँ जाए, तो बैक टू मीटिंग अब ये पता ही नहीं चलता, रिटर्न टू मीटिंग। मैं इससे ही करती हूँ, इससे अगला जो करूंगी 8:15 पे करूंगी अभी।